Today we will be testing a 1-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I have been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader and give you access to our private indicators, as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a 1-minute trading strategy. And so like most of our strategies, this came from a source video on YouTube. On that video, it claimed that it was one of the most accurate TradingView trading strategies. And so, of course, we put it to the test. It consists of two different indicators. The first indicator is going to be the turtle channel indicator, this one right here on top there, and the other one is going to be a zero lag SMA, this one right here on top there. And so we'll go ahead and go through the numbers to see whether or not the strategy is even worth going over. And so like normal, we did a 50 trade test. Out of those 50 trades, we got 17 winning trades. We got 33 losing trades. Now in the source video, it did not give us a risk to reward. Didn't tell us where to put a stop. Just kind of give us our long entry and short entry type setups. And so what I did was a kind of a basic stop and a 1-to-1 risk reward, just to keep it relatively conservative, nothing crazy. And so obviously with a 1-to-1 risk reward at 17 winning trades and 33 losing trades, this is not going to be a profitable trading strategy. I've played around with the a few different indicators with the turtle trading style, and I've never had much success with the turtle trading strategy. And so maybe it's just me, maybe I just haven't found the right one yet, but all in all, like I said, seems to be a little problematic most of the time. And so if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, then I highly recommend you check out the one that we've developed here on the channel. You can find a link to it at the end of this video. I'll pop up a little thumbnail there at the end that you can click on. Check out that strategy. It's a profitable, proven strategy that we have tested. We are optimizing continuously, testing on more and more markets and different assets and such, and constantly improving upon. So highly recommend you check that one out. All right, that's it for this video. We're going to cut it here, and we'll move on to the next video from here.